Hello and welcome to Platinum Trading Academy. Today I'm going to be showing you one of our market cap trades which triggered in last week on the USDJPY pair. So let's go to there, show you our trading floor. We have articles on here, daily articles, fundamental and technical. As you can see, these are our daily charts. These are provided to our clients on a daily basis, which they have full-time, lifetime access to. We also provide intraday trading levels, which we call important trading zones of the day. These are flagged up on their MT4 systems, which I'll show you in due course. If you scroll down, we also have fundamental views on each of the pairs as well. So as I said, this was given to our clients last week on the USD/JPY pair. As you can see on the chart analysis given, if you can see coming through here about halfway up, we've got resistance and supply at 108.15/30. So on that day we gave a market cap, an important trading zone around a 108.15. So let's show you what happened on our algorithm. So just before I go to the algorithm, this is the live chart at the moment. Obviously this is a week forward, but let me show you there. That's the 108.15 level. If I go intraday, put this on the hour, you can see quite clearly on the 12th, which was last Thursday, it came and kissed literally 108.15 and fell off, which is a really nice trade. So let's see how that transpired on our algorithm. So as you can see, these are zones we have flagged up intraday for our clients. They're flagged up, as you can see, important trading zone. So on the 12th, it's literally came into our zone, hit the level and sold off some 60 pips, which is a fantastic intraday trade. On the back of that, if you wanted to, as you can see, we quite clearly had an important buy zone for the day around the 107.50 area. As you can see, the market came to 107.51 and reversed back 60-70 pips the other way. So there was two fantastic trades there on our market cap levels working to perfection. So if this is something you'd be interested in, if you could visit our website on platinumtradingacademy.com, and you can also, if you click on this tab here, that will take you to our, if you want a free consultation, one of our member staff will get back to you. And if you can see the tabs across here in strategies, we have different strategies that we use here at Platinum. There's the one I've just showed you today, what we call our major cap. All our clients, they're provided one-to-one mentoring sessions for full-time traders once they sign up. So if it's something you're interested in, as I say, please click on the free Forex Trading Workshop. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.